What's going on, guys, and welcome back to the channel. I'm Chris, this is 4K Motoring, and behind me is one big box. What we're testing today is a bed rack made by a company called Melipron. Now, my best guess is this is a Chinese company and they seem to specialize in cargo accessories for vehicles. What they told me they sent me was a ladder rack for the Nissan Titan with the inbuilt bed rail system. Now, personally, you guys see I have the sports bar on there, so I really don't have need for a ladder rack on this truck. I am gonna go ahead and test it out. For anybody that lives in the Raleigh area that wants one of these, that has a Nissan Titan, feel free to reach out to my email down below. I'd love to get rid of this thing and get it out of my garage. So with that said, let's go ahead and open this box up and see if it actually works in this truck. All right, I figure we can go ahead and open this. Thanks to Kershaw, not sponsored. I just really like their knives. All right, cardboard is pretty well intact, a couple dings on it. We do have a light layer of foam inside. Let's go ahead and see what all is included in this box. There's some chipping on the powder coating already on these things. Okay. And we have our instructions right here. Shows a picture of a Tacoma. We'll see if it works with the Titan. It looks like it may work with the rack system, but time will tell. I do like how the hardware is packaged. It's in these containers, all sealed up. Some of these have fallen out of their slots, so be careful of that. They are just kind of stapled together, so they could fall out of all of these, but at least they seem fairly well contained. They even include tools, wrenches, which is nice. Well, guys, I do have a problem. In the instructions here, it shows this particular beam is what runs between the two mounting points, and that's what sets this up. But since I'm running the sports bar, when I use this beam, this is the adjustable one that's supposed to go in between these mounting brackets, from where this starts to where my sports bar is, I don't have room on either side to mount the actual uprights. I can tell you, while I would love to test this thing and give you guys my opinion, I am not going to remove my sports bar to get this thing mounted. This is the Titan XD with the 6'7" bed, and it just doesn't have room for both, unfortunately. So having gone through the instructions and looked at the parts inside the box, I do think this is a pretty high quality kit. I don't see anything wrong with this. It has all the hardware and the wrenches included. Instructions seem really well laid out, and the parts themselves, other than a couple little dings to the powder coating, seem to be in good overall shape. What I'd ask from you guys, if there's anybody in the Raleigh area that has need for a ladder rack, I'd love to hook you up with this thing. So I'm gonna post this video as is without getting this thing mounted, again, because we just frankly don't have space with it. Anybody that's in this area that could use one, let me know. This has Toyota and Nissan mounting lugs on there for the actual rail system. If you have a truck like that and want one of these ladder racks, let me know. Reach out in the email below. I'll see if I can hook you up with this thing and show you the finished product. I do want to say thanks to Melipron for sending me this thing. It is pretty cool. It looks like it's pretty well made and pretty usable, especially if it works for different types of trucks. That said, I just don't have the ability to use it with my current configuration. Hopefully there'll be a video soon where we get it all put together. Like I said, my initial impressions are pretty impressed that it comes with everything in the box, all the tools included, and pretty good instructions. So I think this is gonna be a good kit. I'll leave a link for it down below if you guys are curious. Again, if you're in the Raleigh area, reach out to me. I'll see if I can hook you up with this thing and we can get it installed. I know it's a short video. Hopefully we'll have some more content out for you soon. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you next time.